guys, what's up? My name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a really fun video for you. Today I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, dyeing, and installing a ponytail extension. Now these are 100% human hair, and I'm going to be unboxing it and then showing you how to dye it as well as how to put it in your hair. For someone like me who has extremely thin, like this is as long as it's ever been, hair, like this is the longest it's ever been. I'm really excited to see how it feels to have like a long ponytail, and yeah, I'm going to show you how to dye it so you can have it actually match your hair, because this is pretty customized and that needs to be customized to match. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so before we get started with today's video, would you mind hitting the subscribe button down below for me? I'd really appreciate it. I put a new video out every single day, so you always telling me to watch, and I'd really appreciate it. So, this is what we're unboxing today. We're boxing the Vpfashion human hair extensions. I'm so excited, you guys. It has this hollow lettering on the, I don't know if you can tell, but this is like hollow wording, and it suckered me in right away. I really like this packaging too. It feels very luxurious. So let's open the box up. And here we have what's inside. So we have the ponytail extension here, which I got a blonde so that I could dye it to my purple. As well as you get this nice cool bag here. So it's a little roll-up bag, which you can store your extensions in. You can slip it through here, and then you have a hanger, which is actually a pretty fancy hanger. Like it's one of these clamp ones. It has the Vpfashion on it. So you can store your ponytail's extensions without getting them messed up, which is great because you really don't want the human hair all messed up. So let's go ahead and open her up. I just want to read the information off of it. It is a 613A hair color and is the texture of straight. This is also 18 inches. I didn't want to get something super long because I feel like I wouldn't be able to pull it off. So let's get the extension out. Alright, so here it is. It's in a little bundle wrap here. But it's just a blonde, and it needs to be brushed through. But this feels, I mean, I know it's real, but this feels so much better than my real hair. It feels so soft and like, okay, it doesn't have a smell to it. I was worried I had like a human smell to it. But it's so soft. This feels so good. And like it's strong, healthy hair. Like mine's kind of like been through some stuff, but this feels so good. Like I wish my hair felt like this. This is probably what like a celebrity's hair probably feels like, all silky and smooth. Like I'm having a great time just touching this. So as you can see up top, it has like a velcro-y round strap to it, and then we're gonna go ahead and go dye this thing now. Now of course these can be treated with heat on low to medium temperature because it is real hair. However, I'm going to let this air dry once I dye it. If you need to style it, low heat, medium heat will do. Just be careful not to damage the hair too much. So let's go dye this thing. Alright, here we have the hair laid out. It's almost dry, but this is what it looks like. Now our little strap that we need to attach it and make it look real is right here. I made sure I dyed that the most, and then we have a little bit of inconsistency in the color because that's what my real hair looks like. Okay guys, so I fully dried the hair, and this is what it looks like. The inconsistency is just exactly what my hair looks like, and if you lay this over it, that's a pretty good match. Now I could have straightened it, but I really like the wavy poofiness of it now because, as I said, this is the longest my hair has ever been. And this is my thin hair. Like it took me as much hair for this ponytail. It took me more hair dye for this ponytail than it did for my entire head usually because I have such thin hair. So I'm excited. Really excited. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail, which I'm really bad at, by the way, because my hair has always been short and I don't have to do it. So I'm going to do that. Alright, so I have my hair up, and this might not be cute now, but I'm getting this layered in a few days. So I'm going to leave it down so I know what it's going to look like, kind of. But we have our extension here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this little cap part on the top with the clip, and we're going to hook it right into the base of the ponytail. So I'm going to stick it like this way into the rubber band. Now make sure you have this piece out, and we're just going to wrap the Velcro together. So I'm going to start wrapping the piece. Around the ponytail. I'm going to take the piece and I'm going to go around and attach the Velcro together. And then I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to wrap it around so you can't see the Velcro. Now this extra piece that's left after I wrapped it, I'm going to take a bobby pin and just pin it on the underside of the ponytail. Alright guys, so it is in and I feel so fabulous right now. So I'm going to get these layered up in like next week, so that's why I left these down. They might look a little out of place right now, but look, you guys. Look at this. I've never had long hair before. This is so crazy and it looks so good with my actual hair. Like, you would never know, and it feels so soft still, even though I dyed it and then, like, put it on a blow dryer for, like, a minute or two on low. Oh my gosh, you guys, I feel so freaking Instagram worthy right now. I love the way this feels so freaking much. And look how long it is, like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am really blown away, like. I just want to put it over my shoulder and pretend that it's real. Because it looks so good. Like, this color match, though. And then it feels healthy. It feels smooth. I love that it's like... I don't know. I just love it. I just live for it. And you can't see... Like, I can't see what I'm doing when I'm putting... Like, wrapping the hair around and Velcroing and stuff. But you cannot see the Velcro. And it feels so secure. Like, it feels so in there. Oh my gosh. I am in love. You guys. You guys. Okay, so this video is not sponsored. It might sound like it is, but it's not, I swear. But they did give you a coupon code down below to save some money on it. Dude, give it a shot. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't think I'm ever gonna take it out. Like, it makes my, I always think put my hair up makes my face look rounder, but I don't even care. Like, I'm living. And then I could probably put it in a lower ponytail down here and then, like, split it on this. That's cute. I got so many options now. I'm just really excited. Anyways, you guys have to try this. Seriously, if you have the money for it, go for it. I'm in love. And this is so funny because it's always hard to find an inexpensive, because really, when you go get extensions, I've tried to get ponytail extensions before, it's like $200. This is so much cheaper. It feels so good. It's real hair. I'm living. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to keep stroking this now. I hope you have an awesome day. Check out the coupon code and the links down below. It's not going to hurt anything, even just to look for a while. I'm impressed. Thoroughly impressed. And the hair care products I've been trying lately have been like, this one is so good. I hope you guys have an awesome day and enjoy my Instagram pictures coming with this ponytail because I'm living for it. Alright, bye guys!